Hello, my name is Marcy Vawarel. I'm an independent, close to my heart consultant here in Columbus, Georgia. And I had previously done a video probably about a year and a half ago about how to convert your Facebook Live posts to videos on YouTube. And of course, Facebook has made a few minor changes and it looks like the settings are slightly different. So I thought I would do an updated video. That way it would reflect the changes. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below and I will try to answer them as best I can. I am working on a MacBook Pro. I'm not sure if that makes a difference or not, but just I thought I'd let someone know that in case they weren't sure. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to find one of my videos that I've previously done on Facebook Live, and there was one the other night. And of course, you're going to right click on the video. And for us on a Mac, you actually press down both fingers at a time and go to show video URL. Then it's going to give me that URL at the top, and I'm just going to Command C to copy it. Then I am going to go up to the top here, and I am going to replace the www with an M and then click it. This is going to take me into what I like to call mobile mode. I'm not really sure if that's exactly what it's called, but that's what I use. And you want to play the video and then pause it. And it used to be you could stop it and right click right away, and they have changed that since. So now I actually have to expand it to full screen and then right click. And then once I right click, I can go to download video as. Excuse me just a second. I do have kids that evidently forgot I was videoing and have decided to come in here to ask me to open yogurt. So excuse them for talking on my video. So in here, you want to click that download video as. Click on it, and it's going to pull up your box where you can save all of your stuff. I am going to change this and save it as new video for Facebook Live. I'm just going to put transfers and call it that. I'm going to make sure it's under my downloads, and I'm going to click save. You'll notice up here in the right hand corner, it's saving that video for me. And then I'm simply going to go over to YouTube, and I'm just waiting for that to save. And this is my YouTube channel. And if I go to the right hand corner here where it has the arrow pointing up, that's to upload. And I want to simply upload that video. So now there's my downloads. And that video was new, so it should be under the ends. Sorry, there it is, new video. I'm going to click choose, and it says your video is still uploading. Please keep this page open until it's done, and that's fine. I am just going to show you what I typically do. I open up another screen. I go to YouTube. As that's uploading, I go to my YouTube channel, and then I find a previous video that I may have utilized the description, and then a lot of times I just copy and paste. So the last time I did this video, the description that I used, I want to keep, so I'm going to open the old one. Let me pause that and go to edit video, and I'm waiting for it to open. Oh, sorry, it didn't open it from there for some reason. Let me go to edit video. Okay, and it was about a year ago, well, a year and a half ago when I posted that. I'm going off of the dates you see here. So we should be on the second page. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to click edit. And now this is where I put the warning about how that changed. I'm going to just copy and paste from this point forward. Okay, and actually, you know what? It still has my old Scentsy stuff. So I'm actually not going to use that one. I just realized that. Now, I do still sell Scentsy, but I don't promote it as much as I do close to my heart. So actually, let me go back to one that's close to my heart. I've got some recent ones where I've updated everything. So we will actually go with this one. and it's still loading. I don't know if you saw that it said 60%. So I'm going to take here and going to close. I just copied and pasted that. I'm going to come out of here, leave, and then this is the one that's still loading. You'll see it's at about partially there. So now I've copied it, and really all I have in my description, if you've ever kind of wondered what most people put in their description of their videos, I always list my Facebook main page, my business page. I list my website. I list the fact that everything on here is an opinion. I list the fact that I have other options for them to get a hold of me. So my email, my Facebook, my Instagram, my blog, my Pinterest, how to host a party, like all of that stuff. And I've done this for a while now, and it works really well for me. Here, I also always put in those standards that you see popped up are the ones that I always list. And for those, I like the fact that I can put those and they're like preset for me already, so I don't have to retype those out. And then of course I put in the additional ones that I think fit. And these are just tags, almost like how you would hashtag on Instagram. These are just some of the tags. And it's still processing up there. Make publish. Okay, I think I am okay. Video live transfers. Okay, so new video for Facebook Live videos. Facebook Live videos. New video to save Facebook Live videos on YouTube. Actually, we're going to say to post. New video to save Facebook Live videos to post on YouTube. Okay, that sounds better. All right, so I'm okay with the tags here. I can always go back and add more later. I'm going to click publish, and that's going to take a second to publish. I'm going to save the URL so I can post it where I need it to, and it is currently uploading. Once it uploads, it will be in the list of videos that I have on here, and of course, you know, it'll have a thumbnail. It'll show you what everything looks like. So I hope that this little quick video was helpful. I know it's not nearly as detailed as the one I did before, but I wanted to do a quick one. That way anyone had any questions. Thanks so much and have an awesome day.